Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make blooming gel. Blooming gel is a fantastic product for creating stunning nail art with a unique spreading effect. It allows your colors to diffuse and blend beautifully, giving you gorgeous watercolor or marble designs. This simple do-it-yourself method will save you money and give you creative control over your nail art projects. We will cover all the steps, from gathering your materials to achieving that perfect bloom. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need a clear gel top coat or a clear builder gel, which will serve as your base. Next, have a small amount of acetone or a dedicated gel cleanser ready. This is key for achieving the right consistency. Finally, select your favorite pigmented gel polishes to create the vibrant designs. These three components are all you need to start your blooming gel journey. Now, let's mix your blooming gel. On a clean mixing palette, combine one small drop of your clear gel with just a tiny amount of acetone or gel cleanser. Stir these together thoroughly until the mixture is slightly thinner than a standard gel polish. Once mixed, apply a very thin, even layer of this custom blooming gel onto your prepared nail. Do not cure this layer yet. This is where the magic happens. While your custom blooming gel layer is still wet, use a dotting tool or a fine brush to place small dots or lines of your chosen colored gel polishes onto it. Observe as the colors naturally spread and bloom, creating beautiful, intricate patterns. Once you are happy with your design, cure the nail under a UV or LED lamp for 60 seconds to fully set your stunning blooming nail art.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.